Are you tired of the old way of frying eggs? If you're feeling bored like me, don't miss this video. Tip 1. First, take 2 packs of instant noodles and gently crush them into small, manageable pieces. Next, crack 3 eggs into an egg separator. Then gently separate the yolks into 3 small bowls, keeping only the egg whites in a large cup. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After separating the egg whites, I added them to the previously crushed instant noodles. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of pepper. After adding the seasonings, stir well with a spoon. Next, take half an onion and chop it finely. Put it in a bowl. Then take 1 part yellow bell pepper and 1 part red bell pepper. Then chop them into small pieces. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C, even higher than oranges, helping the body fight colds, infections, and boost immunity. They are also rich in vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes, reduce the risk of macular degeneration, and alleviate eye strain. Bell peppers of different colors have different benefits. Red peppers, richest in vitamins C and A. Yellow peppers, good for skin and immunity. Green peppers, less sweet, more fiber. After chopping, put everything into a bowl. Take 1 sausage and chop it into small pieces. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Finally, add chopped green onions. Place a skillet on the stove, add a little olive oil, and spread it evenly across the pan. Mix all the ingredients in the bowl thoroughly to form a uniform mixture. Next, scoop the mixed noodles into small glass bowls to form neat, round shapes. Then gently invert them onto the skillet. Repeat this process until the skillet is completely covered. Use a spatula or small spoon to adjust each portion of noodles into a neat, round shape, while carefully creating a small indentation in the center of each portion to hold the egg yolk. Next, gently place an egg yolk into each nest of noodles. Sprinkle a layer of black sesame seeds on top to enhance the nutty aroma and add an eye-catching touch to the dish. Finally, cover the pan and cook over medium heat until the noodles are lightly golden, the eggs are fully cooked, the ingredients are well combined, and the dish releases a tempting aroma. Once the noodles are lightly golden and the eggs are cooked to your liking, open the lid and gently transfer each portion to a plate. At this point, the noodle base will be slightly crispy on the outside while remaining soft inside, combined with the rich, creamy egg yolk and the aromatic, nutty sesame flavor, making it incredibly appealing. Tip 2. Place a skillet on the stove. Add a drop of cooking oil and lightly coat the entire surface of the pan. Next, prepare 2 slices of sandwich bread, place them on a cutting board, and use a knife to cut them diagonally into 4 triangular pieces. Arrange the bread pieces in the pan however you like. Then, slowly pour the egg mixture into the pan, cooking over low to medium heat until the eggs are evenly set. You crack tray eggs into a cup. Add a little salt and black pepper. Use a fork to stir the egg mixture until well combined. Next, slowly pour the eggs into the pan, cooking over low to medium heat until the eggs are evenly cooked. Cut the cheese slice in half diagonally. Once the base layer has set, gently and carefully place slices of bread, sausage, or sashimi on top, one by one. Drizzle with more chili sauce and mayonnaise for extra flavor, then carefully fold the pancake in half. Continue cooking over medium heat until the eggs are fully cooked, the cheese is melted and smooth, and the ingredients blend together, creating a rich, creamy aroma that's utterly irresistible. This is a quick and easy breakfast option that's still nutritionally balanced, providing energy for the day ahead with a harmonious combination of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. The dish is not only easy to make, but also very convenient, perfect for busy mornings when you still want a delicious and satisfying meal. With just a few familiar ingredients and a couple of simple steps, you can whip up 2 dishes that are both delicious and visually appealing for breakfast or a quick meal throughout the day. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support me and discover even more simple yet delicious recipes. Bye for now, and see you next time.